In this video, you'll learn how to configure WooCommerce settings in WordPress. WooCommerce settings are crucial for configuring and customizing your online store built on the WordPress platform. WooCommerce is a powerful e-commerce plugin that allows you to turn your WordPress website into a fully functional online store. Configuring product-related settings such as inventory management, downloadable product options, and product ratings directly impacts the user experience. A well-configured store enhances navigation and usability, leading to a positive shopping experience for your customers. WooCommerce settings allow you to integrate and configure various payment gateways securely as well. So be sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon since we post WordPress-related videos regularly. Let's get started. As you can see, this is my e-commerce website. You can see various products and categories over here. To configure more settings that WooCommerce provides, let's move back. Let's explore all the tabs here that WooCommerce states. This is the Home tab, which helps you understand how to make your store stand out. This is actually the dashboard. You can see various steps here, which you can follow. I've already added the products, as it says. You can even get a WooCommerce mobile app to facilitate the system. You can also find more information here. Scrolling a little, you'll find Stats Overview. So this is basically all about the Home tab. Moving next to the Orders tab. Whenever you receive an order, it'll appear here. The Orders tab provides a comprehensive overview of your store's transactions and allows you to perform various actions related to orders. You can even add the order here and later manage it as per your need. Next is the Customers tab. In WooCommerce, the Customers tab is where you can manage and view information about the customers who have registered on your online store or made purchases. This section provides insights into customer details, order history, and allows you to perform various actions related to customer management. As of now, I don't have any customers registered on my site, but once they do, the list will appear here. You'll be able to see customer lists, customer contact details, customer actions, notes, etc. Keep in mind that the exact layout and options may vary based on your WooCommerce version. Moving next to Coupons. In WooCommerce, the Coupons tab is where you can manage and create discount coupons for your online store. Coupons are a powerful tool to attract customers, boost sales, and retain existing clients. You can simply add coupons as per your requirement. We have shared short videos where you can learn about this tab in detail. Now, moving next to Reports tab. The Reports tab provides valuable insights into the performance of your online store by presenting various analytics and data. The Reports section helps you understand sales, customer behavior, and product performance. The tab offers various reports related to sales by product, sales by category, coupons by date, customer downloads, etc. You can configure other tabs here, and each will display a specific report relatively. The Reports section is a valuable tool for store owners to track and analyze various aspects of their e-commerce business. Moving next to the Settings tab. Once you're in the WooCommerce settings, you'll find several tabs, each containing specific configuration options. These are the general store settings that you can configure. Here you can set up your store address, selling location, currency options, and product types. You can also choose to enable or disable guest checkout and account creation. You can enable taxes as well. As said, you can configure currency options here. You can find various options here. Moving next to the Products tab under Settings. Configure settings related to product display, inventory management, download options, and more. Set up default product sorting and product ratings. You can set the add to cart behavior. You can set the weight unit here. You can set various product measurements over here. You can configure product review settings over here. Let's now move to the Shipping tab. And here you can set up shipping zones, methods, and costs. You can also configure shipping classes and other shipping-related options. Moving next to the Payments tab under Settings. Configure payment gateways for your store. WooCommerce supports a variety of payment options, including PayPal, credit cards, and more. Set up and manage the payment methods you want to offer to your customers. You can even explore more payment gateways that can be connected to WooCommerce. Moving next to Accounts and Privacy. Manage customer account settings, such as allowing customers to create accounts during checkout. Configure privacy settings and terms and conditions. You can check out various account creation related settings. Select options as per your requirement. Next is Emails. Here you can customize email notifications sent to customers and store administrators. You can set up email templates for various order statuses and events. You can explore all settings as per your needs. Next is the Integration tab. The specific integrations available might depend on your WooCommerce version, your theme, and any additional plugins or extensions you've installed. Next is the Advanced tab. The Advanced tab in WooCommerce contains various settings that provide more advanced configuration options. You can configure page setup related settings here. These pages need to be set so that WooCommerce knows where to send users to check out. You can set the Terms and Conditions page over here. Next here is the Checkout endpoints. In WooCommerce, the checkout endpoints in the advanced settings allow you to customize the URLs for various pages related to the checkout process. In WooCommerce, the account endpoints settings in the advanced section allow you to customize the URLs for various account-related pages. This is useful if you want to change the default URLs for customer account pages, making them more aligned with your site's structure or branding. You can also explore these links over here on your own. This is all about the Settings tab in WooCommerce. Moving next to Status. WooCommerce provides information about the status of your WooCommerce installation, including system status, server environment, and tools for troubleshooting common issues. The Status tab is valuable for troubleshooting and diagnosing issues with your WooCommerce store. If you encounter problems, this tab can provide insights into potential problems or misconfigurations. It includes details about your site URL, WordPress version, and PHP version, among other information. It can be helpful for diagnosing compatibility issues. Next is extensions. These extensions are designed to integrate seamlessly with WooCommerce, providing additional features, tools, and integrations that go beyond the core capabilities of the platform. You can explore payment gateway add-ons, shipping options, product add-ons, etc. Moving next to tools. If you have caching enabled on your site, this tool provides a way to clear the cached data. This is useful if you make changes to your site and want the changes to be immediately reflected. You can explore the Log tab here. Scheduled actions in the context of WooCommerce and WordPress refer to tasks or events that are set to occur automatically at specific times or intervals. These scheduled actions are managed by the WordPress cron system, which is a pseudo-cron system that simulates the behavior of a real cron job. These settings provide a high level of customization, allowing you to tailor your online store to meet specific requirements and preferences. It's important to carefully configure these settings based on your business model, shipping preferences, tax regulations, and other factors. Designed to be user-friendly, but it's recommended to review each section carefully to ensure your store is configured accurately. So that's all about how to configure WooCommerce settings in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.